こんにちは。ジャマイカ在住日本人プロデューサーのGACHAメッツです。この番組ではさまざまなレゲエやダンソールの裏側の革新に迫り学んでいこうと思います。第1回は伝説的プロデューサーキングトビーズ、今なお愛されるラブミュージックの開発者、そんな彼の側近であり所属アーティストだったアントニー・レッドローズに今回は話を聞き、スタジオ跡地にも訪れてみようと思います。
I saw film, Tubby's don't have the footage, like just think of it. So I just find 2 minutes.
GACHA. Yeah, what was the other GACHA? Because Tubby's was like a shy man, you know.
Okay.
Him like cameras and yeah, he's a man where it's not a man where in the camera and in the eye. He's a more technology man. You know them technology man who play the Tubby's build transformers and all kind of things. I don't know if the pole is still around there. The pole is up in the air.
He made pole?
Yeah, make a pole when him tapping at the radio station.
Oh, okay.
Tapping the RGR and play big tongues.
That's great, man.
Yeah. You have a pole that if we go around here with the girl and see it, it's supposed to be way up in the air.
But he never echoed like bands, full bombing or next game studio, right?
No, because him done the process of building the studio for dealing with bands, but him recording things on my channel one.
Okay.
And some he get to learn how to put drums together and things, because he used to send me and Phantom go do it.
Okay.
You understand? Yes, I'm supposed to send we go do a channel one.
And then we go with them, and then mixing the film.
And then we mix it down. Because them times it was 4 track and Tubby 4 track and 16 track. So we mixed it down on a 16 track and then carry it around there and mix it up on a 4 track and carry it around there device.
Okay. And then Tubby, the boy.
Yeah.
So you are the first artist who signed like with
No, man, Tubby's about a long time before me.
Yeah,
I was like, go straight. I was like Tubby's comeback artist. Yeah, I was a comeback artist. Because Tubby's was from in the 70s, brother.
Yeah.
You see me?
Very good.
Yeah. And Tubby's voice, Johnny Clark, them, Sugar Mine, and them. Well, I'm on them, Tubby's voice.
Okay.
Yeah. But me was like the young artist who come bust me to Tubby's thing. With on the
Digital era, right?
yeah, the digital era. Yeah. First man, them voice man, digital, them, and the drum,
Temporary. Or
and I'm a fat thing.
and then fat is renting, right?
Yeah, and I'm a fat thing. And sling thing. Them actually do the same time.
Yeah, which one is first on this one?
I think it's sling thing was a little bit before fat thing.
Yeah.
But fat thing come after.
I pretty fat thing mix like more wild like
It have more vibes.
Oh,
yeah. It have more vibes.
like more how it was also.
Yeah, man, more vibe, man. Cause we get the dance hall. We do it like, I'll turn this. We do it like when they're on a stage.
Yeah.
And I sing and mix them.
Yeah.
Are you in how we used to do it in the sound? When the man them a DJ, we mix them down on the sound.
Yeah.
That's how we do it.
Yeah.
And,
So we see.
yeah.
So you boys run this up, that's something.
Yeah, man. Tempo,
It
vice,
makes
same place. Everything done same place.
They rhythm same place?
Yeah.
Oh, you use cashew or keyboard, right? So,
Yeah.
because somebody's trying to be over by musician, like some kind of different. Have to use cashew or something.
Forget the sound.
Yeah.
Because sling thing is that thing of it finding in the cashew.
Yeah,
Yes. Ding, and then add on one keyboard thing to it.
Yeah.
And then find the sound, Wayne Simmons, and Noel. And
Fact is, since the sound is similar to me. So what about tempo? Tempo, same equipment, right? So
same thing, but tempo now, it was drum pattern,
Yeah.
it's digital, and the keyboards play
Yeah.
from a keyboard. And play by Asha.
Asha.
You can name Asha.
Yeah.
I play the keyboard and the bass and everything.
Okay. By Casio.
Yeah, Asha plays.
Can't believe that bass song is so fat from mix back in the 80s. Like,
No, I'll tell you something, Dada. You say digital, we must say digital have a sound different. You know?
yeah, it's or something.
And I think Tubby's run I think Tubby's have a EQ thing where I run through the basic.
Yeah, not people want that no equity because we don't have any information. Like,
Yeah, Tubby's running through because Tubby's build him own.
mixer and
Yeah, him own. I him build it, you know.
that's crazy.
I him build it. Him build him own reverb sound.
Okay, yeah, that's right. Original, right.
So you hear him thing. You don't hear them nowhere else but all that Tubby.
How many songs you boys sing? Like,
Yeah, me do.
how many albums? Like,
Me do 2 albums
Two
of King
albums.
Tubby's. One of them named Red Rose will make you.
yeah, tempo.
Nice.
Yeah.
Red Rose will make, and the next one me and King Kong in combination.
Yeah, right.
2 big bull in a one pen.
You know, the football, you know,
Yeah.
picture. How was the relationship with King Kong? Like, them time, you and King Kong?
And King Kong, I'm a virgin, and I'm virgin from back then till now still.
So both artists, like, same time? Like,
No, me bus before.
oh,
My thing run was before, and then his a brother bring King Kong, a brother named Barley, him dead now. Bad man from Hawaii. Bring King Kong to us, and I'm I can't sing, you know. Can't do this show.
I want to have similar style. Right,
Yeah,
yeah.
because back in our times, you know, them times, you know, them style that run the thing. If you're not sing, so you're not gonna make no money.
Yeah, I know, like, people do chapati, like, yeah. So who are the original, like, Tenaso?
Tenasa, man.
Tenasa, the first one.
Tenasa are the original one.
And then everybody, like, style,
Yeah,
like,
it's like we get fascinated with him style.
Okay.
You see it, so you sing a song in the style and it's
Nitty gritty.
bold to him. Yeah.
Okay.
Nitty gritty style kind of different,
And
but it's similar. But you know, but it's not like Tenasa style. Tenor style. Back in them times, still music is very nice. You know, sing music for the money. Yeah, sing it for the love.
just joy.
Yeah, just joy. Cause when you hear a song on the radio, it come like your belly full, bro.
No publishing, no royalty.
You don't know nothing about them something.
Yeah.
About them something. You understand the music.
Yeah.
I want to tell you, Tubby's teach me about publishing and everything. And send me go sign up with people and sign me.
Okay, when you did the album one.
Yeah, Tubby's time, they show me the way I say you need to sign with PRS, you need to sign with this and you need to do that. And if you have somebody else, do that and do that. You know, they show me the way.
That song still play all over the world, you know,
I just did it on a remix with Snow.
Snow.
Yeah, Snow and a Spanish guy. I think it's Faruco.
Really?
Yeah, and
You know, that's crazy.
and the next big African dub. Like it's I think about 3 hours or 4 hours about the song. Yeah, I just did it.
It's not joke, you know, like I know the Faruco did it, like sample so much reggae things.
Yeah,
love it.
love it.
And Snow, I saw Daddy Yankee with Snow things.
Yeah, Daddy Yankee and Snow sell triple platinum. And Snow,
Right.
yeah, Snow win all the Grammy, the Latin Grammy, with the song with him and Faruco. Yeah, man. Snow reach out to me. Cause Snow said me and my idol, and me and my song them he used to sing,
Yeah.
a dance. When him a try come in a music, he must listen to Anthony Red Rose them and go sing them a dance and get paid for it. That him tell me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
That's great.
Yeah, and do a song with me now. You know?
You remember like how exactly they take your voice tempo?
Yeah, man.
It's somehow over to.
tempo.
In a 80, just 82 or 4.
I think the vice in 83, the end in 83 and the release in 84. Yeah. Tempo vice, tempo and fatting. Why you be fatting and here fatting have the mix there? Fatting vice on a 4 track.
Yeah.
So while it me a vice it a mix, you know. So it was straight.
Yeah.
You understand?
Really?
While me a vice it, if me couldn't sing it straight,
Yeah.
I couldn't vice it. Because I never have no track to put me.
Can't punch,
Yeah, for record the part. I have to just make one punch and mix it at the same time.
45 right back there.
Yeah, it and tempo because we never have no track. When them dump, forget the sound the Tubby one, when them dump the thing them on the 4 track, me have to vice them straight.
Yeah.
And when you hear the pshoo, a man stand up and open the vice room door and lick a shot in the song. So it was like,
Some professional.
yeah, it was straight. With them 2 songs there, Fatting and Tempo.
That's a have a right vibe too, right?
And it's like the same vibe. You know?
That's crazy.
Yeah, them 2 songs there was like history. Yeah. So, yeah, go ahead.
Right.
Yeah, make it right. But Marley himself come wake up the island. A man with dead so much years, you know, like Ziggy them do the movie and the movie.
Yeah.
Bring back the love.
Him and him grandson. One the person of why is he married?
Yeah.
But I guess.
And him have the biggest reggae song in the world.
Yeah.
And drive on some that road that was bad. Really bad. Big old man. And drop it on the right on top of it. Yeah man, and round there some come.
Which part you come from? Like
Spanish Town I come from. Spanish Town I come from.
Straight?
Straight. Yeah, Spanish Town I come from originally.
So you took bus and come
Yeah,
here.
the bus dropped me off from Spanish Town. And I have to walk through Waterhouse. Come by them time the Waterhouse is very fine. Very fine.
Still. More than now?
So yeah, go. Eh?
More than now?
More than now. 100% more than now. Because it kind of fuck up now, yes, but them time up now, so you can't run the risk in that place.
Gang surprise.
Yeah, gangs are all over the place.
And they never afraid?
Huh?
You never afraid of them?
When you them time, them a madman, man, you're not afraid of nothing. When you're a youth and grow up, you're not afraid of them something. And your parents, I wonder how you go. Cause all of my friends, them are Spanish, I wonder how me coming at them places.
Yeah.
And a bus me take and walk come in without no fear. You see me I say?
Why? So you choose music, sing or something like
Yeah man, music choose me. I think I hope I say that.
so? Okay, so. Right, Pink House?
No man.
What street was?
You see that's something like a record on the wall. A long time no come round here, brother.
Oh, yeah.
They look like them fucking put on big gate point and sing.
Right there, sir.
Go and pass it, let me see. Yeah, so you look like them put on big gate and balcony and sing, man. Yeah, so no.
Don't you?
Other people live there. And take off the pole and them something.
The ice or something?
Yeah, it look different. It look different. Right, just put it on the sign. But just that thing there.
We can come out outside.
Just that thing there on the wall.
Let me come. Somebody try shoot the water.
Alright. You see that yard there, so? The fence there, right there, so?
Yeah.
You see them right pan. You see part of that thing there?
The fence there?
The fence, yeah.
Yeah.
But them have up and they have the zinc on top of it. The whole of it sit down on the wall right there, so.
Yeah.
Chat and a run joke.
Yeah.
Some man drive past and like me I talk to them and me just get up and go across the road and go in the store.
Yeah. Because Tubby's calling you?
Yeah. Call me through Tubby's.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some session thing them I don't them call me.
Yeah.
That's it. Turn and go back. Don't go past it. Capture the money, capture the place.
Why did Jamaica support the government support it?
Them lion up on the wall that Tubby's put out. Yeah, man. I'll capture the place to Tubby's house.
Okay.
Yeah.
So him own two house?
Him have whole heap of house, man.
Big one.
Tubby's have whole heap of house. House I feel, and him have house at doing it part. Him have house out at east.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
What I used to be like Negri.
No, man, out like you go airport.
Oh, on this part.
Yeah, other side there. Other side there, Kingston. Out there, so him have house out there where he used to live. I think him have two places where he live. Doing the park and out at east. Yeah.
So the studio is
Yeah, this right to Span, we got this to the show. But it's funny enough that Tubby's live in a place like this, where gunman a walk the street every day, gunman a kill people, gunman a do all kind of a dumb place in a them time then.
Yeah, why?
To be here things and a man go shoot him uptown or yeah. Come on, me grief over it for years, man. You see, cause Tubby's was like a father to me. You know, like the second father. He opened my eyes them to all of my things.
Yeah. What happened that thing like when somebody shoot Tubby?
I admitted that foreigner is downstairs. So me never know as a phone call me get me there in New York. As a phone call me get and hear so them shoot Tubby's. Some man killed Tubby's down in Jamaica. Shot him in the yard. Kill a big man. Wow. I don't even know her ass. Life is like that in America. You see, you can't get her from living and you can't get her from dead.
Yeah, true.
They go together. Because we all things sometimes some people decide when you forgot. Long time I come on somebody. Years when I come on, I go around the Tubby's. Completely different. And Bill and Panet upstairs and one more things. Where in our places?
In other places, yeah.
Remember in our water was this in the people just man one house, man and see this big old empty house, man will capture it. That's something about to come out and go in there because there's a dead stranger in another place. You know what I say? We don't know who in there. We are the biggest wanted man in that bum book now. You see what I say? You don't know what the shit is going on there. That's why I just look at me and say, it's a picnic, like a picnic and people put through the thing as the people in our place. You know? Student, because they all take out the student equipment them already this thing and sell them to Sonic Sound. I think I'm that. The Sonic Sound, they have the board and
Yeah, suppose Alboros have board.
Alboros buy the board.
Board on, yeah.
I didn't buy the tape them because the board them. I think the board them sell to some Japanese. Yeah, I used to them out in a museum in Japan. Yeah. Find out.
Yeah.
Because
Trust me,
Yes,
so
them have the board.
much fans them still there.
Huh?
So much King Tubby's fans them all over the world.
Mass. Go to this place, desert place, Dubai. Go to Dubai, go 10 to 9 years ago, I go to Dubai. And we go there for the tour show. And we do the tour show and we get invited for the next one. in our Ashik place, like one Prince man.
Yeah.
Invite me and give me the most money.
Yeah.
Come sing.
Sure.
But him give me a list of songs where me fi sing, him tell me, him give me a list of 10 people me sing to, you know.
Yeah. 10 person.
10 people.
Yeah.
10 people me go and place me sing to. And me sing 10 songs.
Yeah.
For 10 people.
Request, like, which song?
Yeah, and I pay King Tubby's song him request.
Oh, King Tubby's following you.
Yeah, King Tubby's catalog. Him goes, pay King Tubby's song me sing.
Yeah.
Tour me did upon, for the whole tour me did upon, and this time I'm gonna make the most money.
Yeah, that's nice.
For that one show.
One private show.
Yeah, one private show me make the most money.
Which reggae music too, yeah.
Prince go have a deal with Ireland. So I'm sick. Him give me him card until me still have him card and say no more and come back at the bar and shout him and bag of things.
Music so nice, man.
Music is a special thing.
Yeah, true.
But you have to treat it like, you know, you have to treat it like the thing is what it is. You see me? Because music's supposed to make you feel good. It's supposed to make you want the violence. But I think the generation will come up and take the music. They don't understand the music is a thing like open up people's eyes and wise up people.
Yeah, young people play more.
Have it hype and gun
Yeah.
and even Whitney Houston that blow fire about it because Wycliffe tell me say Whitney Houston hear the song and say which kid sing over her song because she go to England.
Yeah.
And she in the elevator, she heard that play. Then she go in the taxi, she heard that play. And everyone, she said, what? So they're not playing my songs and play? What is going on? She called Wycliffe and Wycliffe same tell her, say, some gangsters down in Jamaica did it over and she calm after that. Yeah? Them kick up dust for everything. Yeah?